Why do you think that is?
Well, people, they feel uncertainty, and they want certainty, they want reliability, they want products that are used by police to help protect themselves and their families so they can have peace of mind when they're out and about, running, commuting, going to work, doing the things they have to do to live.
This is sort of an alternative to protect yourself without having to use lethal force.
Well, pepper spray allows you to protect yourself at a safe distance. Why go hands-on with the attacker when they can be faster, stronger, and more skilled than you?
Right,
it's actually a pepper gel.
Pepper gel.
So it doesn't atomize, doesn't affect you. There's no blowback. It only affects what it directly contacts. So you don't have to worry about getting on yourself or your family.
Well, Americans are looking for more ways to protect themselves nowadays. As violent crime rates surge nationwide, so are pepper spray sales. Grady Trimble is in Fenton, Missouri with the details. Grady.
Here it is, Brian. This product has been flying off the shelves the last couple of years. We're at SABRE, the #1 maker of pepper spray in the country. That's their manufacturing facility right behind us. David Nance is the CEO. I've seen this increase in crime. It's more than 30% in some major cities in the country, and that's translated to sales for you.
Yeah, ironically, we've had an increase of 30% year over year the last 2 years.
So you've got all sorts of products here, things for runners, people just walking down city streets, like where I live in Chicago, here in the St. Louis area, crime is up. When people tell you about having to actually use this pepper spray, what types of stories do they?
Well, they're very emotional, they're very thankful, but you hear it from runners who are stalked and then it turns into an attack. They're by themselves, they use the product to escape to safety. Commuters going home, sometimes even by a coworker, they need to use the product to escape to safety.
Grady, my question is, can just anyone buy pepper spray?
Stu, there are different rules and restrictions state by state, but yes, pepper spray is legal in all 50 states, and people in increasing numbers are turning to it because it's a non-lethal form of self-defense amid this surge in crime. David Nance is the CEO of SABRE, and you have just seen sales skyrocket because of this surge in crime.
We have. The last 2 years were very significant to a point where we had trucks lining up to get our products because people were so concerned about their safety, and they came to us to provide them with a safety plan and products to increase the safety of themselves and their families.
You provide to police departments all across the country, Chicago, New York, but you also are a big seller to consumers at sporting goods stores. Who's buying it?
So oftentimes protectors, which are parents of people that are in their college students up to people in their 40s, because they're concerned about the safety of their loved ones when they're off at school or they move to a new city. And now you're seeing those younger people buying them for themselves because they're concerned. Recent study, 75% of young people 25 to 35 feel they're in imminent danger at least one time per day, according to one poll.
And while we talk, Stu, I'm going to demo this product for you. I've never actually sprayed pepper spray before, so this will be my first time. I've been fortunate. Oh, there you go. Holy
It flips
cow.
upside down too. Turns in any angle. That's
so
our crossfire.
This would be like what police use, right?
Or consumers can get that as well too.